Hey folks, so I'm in Ecuador here at a permaculture food forest and reforestation project. So we have about 50 hectares of pasture to fill. A very large amount of space, so we need thousands of fruit trees to fill it up. That's why we have a huge greenhouse out front. A lot of the work for that takes place back here, where we do all the potting and repotting of seedlings and seeds and things like that. So over here we've got our soil mix. Usually just take some local dirt, mix it in with compost, organic matter, crushed leaves, things like that. Make it nice and fluffy. Got some passion fruit here that's ready to be repotted into bigger pots. A Rollinia tree here that's not doing very well because it's been in too small of a pot for too long. Over here we got a tray of Rollinia seeds just planted. Another tray of Rollinia seeds. Got some more Rollinia here, some soursop or guanabana right here. More seeds here, a brown squash tree. It's a tree that produces a squash, and the inside flesh near the seed is actually edible as a fruit. So over here we got a crate of seeds and seedlings in really small pots, because we start them in small pots so we don't have to make so much soil. Gonna put them into bigger pots like here. Got another passion fruit right here. There's about 4 varieties of passion fruit available in this area. So there's this one, which is the yellow, quite sour commercial variety, very commonly sold in the markets. There's another variety that's kind of blue with white spots, and it ripens to more of a yellow with white spots color, and it's sweeter. It's pretty delicious. It's a local variety. And then there's a granadilla, which is a very sweet passion fruit. It's orange. And the fourth one is a giant one called badea, and that's more sour. Large passion fruit. Yeah, Rollinia tree right here. The Rollinia will fruit in about 2 or 3 years. It tastes like lemon meringue pie. It's a very delicious fruit. So we have hundreds of Rollinia seedlings out in the greenhouse that are about this big, or almost that big. Right here, and in a bunch of the other ones in this crate, is a jackfruit. That's seeds that we got from Costa Rica for pretty nice variety. More Rollinia here, more Rollinia here. And I got a few more things over here that I already repotted. So this right here is star fruit, or a carambola. Very easy to identify because of the leaves. And then we also got some more jackfruit, some more passion fruit, some more Rollinia, which this one also was in a pot too small and didn't look too healthy, but it will recover. And one last thing we got back here is a lot of ice cream bean, also known as guava or inga bean. And it's very easy to identify because of this subleaf on the stem. When I was hacking grass out front, cleaning it up a little bit, I found these growing in the weeds, so I just pulled them up and stuck them in pots, and they're a very important tree for fixing nitrogen into the soil, restoring poor soil, fast-growing tree, and it produces a fruit that's kind of like a cotton candy surrounding a seed. There's a whole bunch of those inside a really big, long bean pod about the size of a machete. So it's a really important tree. We like to have a lot of these. And so I'm just going to let these grow for a little bit until I go out to the farm next, and then I'll just pull them out of here and stick them in the pasture and let them grow. So that's all that's going on right here. I'll take another video sometime of the greenhouse and show you everything that's going on out there.